Hey bestie, welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's me, Tasia Michelle, and today we have UNice hair. Y'all love this hair on Instagram, so let's get into it. I plucked the hairline, as you can see. It didn't need that much plucking, so if you're not that good at plucking, it's okay, because all you gotta do is pluck a little bit. Now, I did cut the hair. It is 24 inches, but I cut it to around a 22 to 20, so you can go ahead and get that. Now, if you watched my videos before, you already know I'm going to get my hot comb and comb all the hair back so I can go ahead and add my 4 layers of glue. When you're applying a layer of glue, make sure that you blow dry it clear before you add another layer on top of it, because you're going to have a sticky mess, and that is exactly what you do not want. I finally found something to apply my glue with. I got a paintbrush, y'all. Ain't that smart? Last video I was using my finger and I didn't like that, so yes, get a paintbrush or a makeup brush, something that is flat and small. I also recommend popsicle sticks. Those work just as good. When you're drying the glue down, make sure that you use the cool setting on your blow dryer. It makes a difference. Also, if you have a problem with keeping your ear tabs down, you can always add an extra layer of glue just on that part and it'll stay. Because I don't know what it is, but them ear tabs be having beef with everybody. After my 4 layers of glue, I brought the lace forward and, stuck it to the glue. UNice provides an elastic band in their box, so that's exactly what I used when I got done blow drying my glue and lace together. So yeah, the elastic band is the most important part. Don't forget it, okay? Because it helps the lace and glue melt into one another. Left the elastic band on the whole time I was curling this wig, so I don't know how long that was, but just know my arms were burning. I'm just kidding. It had to have been at least 35 minutes, it was a long time. So now we're gonna get into the curling part. I was brushing this wig because I wanted you guys to see how it looked blow dried. It is a kinky straight wig, so why not show you guys how it looked. Now I'm gonna get my hair parted in half before I start curling. Now, I don't know the exact curling wand that I use. I will find a curling wand similar to this one and link it. I'm too country. I don't know if it's similar. Anyway, that's not what y'all here for. When you're curling this hair, your arms are gonna hurt, but make sure that you hold the curl on the curling wand for at least 12 seconds because you want the heat to be evenly distributed. If you want the best results, do not unravel the curls while it's still hot. Let the curl cool like I did and then unravel it. And you're gonna wish you listened to me when you don't listen. I just don't want y'all having beef with me because y'all like to fight me in my DMs. And it's funny every time. I actually enjoy it. But yes, y'all, I was going on with curling this wig for at least 35 minutes. Maybe an hour, but who's really counting? I'm gonna let the rest of the video play and then I'll see you in the end.
Think I need you. I swear it's time to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views on a night day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you.
I am back. I unraveled the hair and it looked really cute after. I was really satisfied with this wig. It was cute and y'all ate the pictures up, so I couldn't decide if I wanted a side part or a middle part. I ended up doing a side part towards the end of the video and I didn't like it, so I just stuck with a middle part. But yes, y'all, this is it. Honestly, it came out so cute. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you next time. I'm gonna let the slow-mo play and then I'm out of here. Bye.